Hello there, it's John here again. Oh, and today we are going to check out the little Huson Caves. They're a beautiful karst topography out here on the way to Zabalis. Bit of a rough ride in though, so let's go take a look. Alright, well here we are in the parking area. And like I say, it's a little rough getting in here. Although other vehicles have made it, you just got to be really careful. Choose your way along. It can be pretty rough on your tires. Alright, well, I'll find the trail and we'll talk again soon. Alright, well, we have found the place and they are fixing the trail, so there you go. Alright, well, here we go. It has been raining, so it's a little bit mucky in here, but the trail is pretty good. Like I say, the road in was, man, there's cars in the parking lot, but I don't think I'd try it. Not with one of my cars. The trouble is the rocks around here, the crush is like a granite, so it does get fairly sharp, and if you start to skip, it'll chew up your tires. But the road down here is not too bad. Gets a little steep. If you're a mobility person, this is not going to be where you want to try and go, because it is steep and it's a cave and whatnot, but not particularly accessibility-wise for a trail. To get there if you're with a walker or a chair or something, because it is, fairly straight down here. You can hear the river running there. So anyway, the cave system here is caused by karst topography. That's where layers of material erode quicker than others, so you wind up getting undercut. And over time, it'll become a cave, which is what we're going to go and look at. But what a pretty spot. All right, well, I'll pause here and I'll get back to you in a minute. All right, well, we're a little further along the trail here. It's still a little bit sketchy, but not horrible. Well, horrible-ish. It was raining a lot for the last day or so, so it's a bit mucky. It isn't normally this mucky. And we are at a crossroads here where you can either take stairs down, which I'm assuming I should do. So we'll do that. There was a trail going the other way, but it looks like it's all closed. I think we're coming up to a bit of a view here. Aha! There is water down there. And it's a bit more of a walk. What a spot, eh? Look at that. Alright, I'm going to pause here for a minute and I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, well, I worked my way down the bank here. And from this viewpoint, you can see some of the topography. Quite a large cave with a bunch of water coming out of it. And you can see all that sandstone down there. That's what erodes away. And fractures and whatnot. Alright, well, I think there's another way to get in, so I'll catch up with you in a minute. But what a view, eh? Beautiful spot. Alright, well, we also went down to the left past where the closed trail portion is. And there's kind of a sketchy little walk down here to what I believe is the opening or the mouth of the cave. So I'll put this phone in my pocket and work my way down. Alright, well, we're just about to walk down to where the cave opening is. Look at this. Alright. Well, I'll see you at the river. Okay, well, let's take a look into the cave here. This is one of the openings. Now, look at that, eh? Not entirely sure how slippery it is down here. It is a little wet though. We're gonna take a little look in here and see what we see. Ooh, look at that. I don't think I'll climb down that way too far. But look at this, eh? Alright. A little bit of water coming out of there. Look at that, eh? Pretty cool. It's been a long time since I did any spelunking, I'll tell you, but I used to do a little bit here and there. Look at that, eh? Wow, is that ever cool? That worn away goes way back into there. Look at that. Yeah, right. Well, let's go and see what else we can find here. All right, well, let me see what's down here. Whoa, does that ever go deep? Look at that, eh? Holy cats, is that ever cool, eh? Look at that. Huh. Yeah, you can scoot right down into there. Hang on a minute. Okay, well, we're down from that one cave. And, how far back does that go? Yeah, it goes back a little ways. But look at this. It's all eroded out by water. How neat is that, eh? Wow. Holy cats, this is cool. Holy. River raging away there. Watch your step along here. It is slick. Look at that. Now, when the river's lower, you can wade out into there. It's a little treacherous at the moment, so I don't think I'll be going out there at this time. There's, like I say, it's been raining, so it is definitely slippery. Look at this. Wow, is this ever neat? It's not the friendliest road to get into, but boy, oh boy, is this something to see. Holy cats. Look at all of this. Wow. Just looking down into the water to see if there's anything in there. All right. Well, I'm going to pause for a second because I'm going to need both hands for this. Hang on a minute. Okay. Well, I'm right here by the river. Look how much water's coming through there. Holy cats. It's just stacking up over here. Look at this. Oh boy. And you can see that if it was lower water right now, I mean, we could go right up into there and everything. But it's still pretty cool. I like seeing it with lots of water, that's for sure. that.
Look at this. I'm actually surprised at how much water is going through here right now. It's significantly more than I had anticipated at this time of year. Just scoot over here and see what's this way. Beautiful water, wow. This is wild, holy cow. Look at how that's peeking out. You can see the hole right there, eh? Wow, that's really cool. I'll pause for a second and I'll see if I can get a little better. Okay, well, I was gonna try and go down here, but it's a little tight and I'm not wearing terrific footwear. I'd most likely make it. I'm probably just being a bit of a weenie, but and that water is cold. So I'm not real thrilled about going for a wade. Maybe if it was a hotter day, I might consider it, but dang, man. Whew. She got some temperature. But this rock is just wild. Look how smooth that is. All worn away by the millennia of wave action and water action. All just slowly taking that away. Really pretty place. Unbelievable. So cool. All right, well, I'll pause here and I'll come back to you. A lot of the island is based on that. But,
so much, I guess. This is really a good thing, but it's true. I don't know if he's videoing that or not. Yeah.
You got a key for you.
History hasn't been filling up so
Oh, look at this. This is just amazing. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Beautiful, beautiful light. All right, well, there you go. That's Little Huson Caves on the way to Zabalis. It's a really cool thing to see. Awesome scenery, really cool geography, karst topography, you can't beat it. Well, thanks so much for coming with me again. I sure do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.